Hello again. Update on the battery life for the Apple Watch Ultra. First charge I got with always on display turned on, brightness in the middle setting. Everything else was turned on except blood oxygen, which uses too much battery. After the second full day I was down to 19% at 6:43 p.m. and so it probably would have seen it through the night, but I wanted to charge it for sleep tracking. So after that I charged it up fully. It took about 90 minutes, a little bit less, to charge to 100%. Second charge, brightness was on the lowest setting, always on display was turned off, everything else was on except blood oxygen again. So after 2 full days I had 26% in the evening, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock at night. This was the third full day and I had again 19% left. So it went for 3 full days with the second charge with always on display turned off, and it probably again would have lasted easily until the next day. So it's almost, going into the 4th day. So 3 full days with 20% left nearly. I think that's pretty good battery life because I'm using this quite a lot because it's in the first couple of weeks. So I'm really happy with it. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope it helps you out. Click that like button and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.